Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to Sherilyn on Food Etc. Today we are going to make some frozen margarita. It's very simple, easy, and really quick to do. So let's start it. So let's get to our ingredients. First, we have 2 limes, one for our drink and one to put on the side of our glass. And we have tequila. You can see a small bottle of tequila, but we're not going to use all of that. We just need 2 ounces. And triple sec, we need 2 ounces as well. We have some measuring glass, which is the amount is 2 ounces. We have some ice cubes, which is 6 pieces of ice cubes exactly, and 1/4 cup of sugar. If it's too sweet for you guys, you can cut down your sugar, but I'm not really into alcohol too much, so that's why I put a lot of sugar for my drink, so I can feel a lot of alcohol in it. But anyways, so that's it. We are also gonna need some salt, and I guess that's it. Of course, the blender. So let's start making it. So I have here 1 serving blender, I guess. I will be putting my 6 ice cubes inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. And then we're going to put 1 lime with the ice. First, we have to peel it off. Make sure remove all the white stuff right there because that tastes bitter. So yeah, we'll just peel it off. Okay, you guys, I already filled the lime, so we'll put this in with our ice cubes, and then 1/4 cup of sugar right there. As I said, you can cut down your sugar if you think it's too sweet. And then our shot glass, we're going to put our tequila in there to measure it, just like that. Okay, so we put this in here too. 2 ounces of tequila and the triple sec. 2 ounces of triple sec. All right, and that's it. So we're going to blend this until smooth, and that's all it takes to make a frozen margarita. There you go. So we'll put this in a blender and we'll blend this, okay? Now it's nice and smooth, as you can see that. So we're going to transfer this into our glass. Now before we serve our drink, our frozen margarita, we're going to rub some lime on the mouth of the glass, just around the mouth of it, like this. Okay, and then a little bit of salt on a plate, and then we're going to twist this around the plate, just like that. And as you can see, there's already salt around it. And of course, now it's time to put this in the glass, just like that. And we are going to finish it up with some lime wedges in our glass and our straw. There you go, guys. Now it's done. Mm. Give this a try, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And see you on my next video. Hope you see you again. Bye bye. Before I forget, this recipe makes 2 servings.